I used to let you tell me who to be. Walked around like I was missing pieces of me. But now I'm kicking down the walls you built, turning every doubt into something I can't feel. You thought I'd stay quiet, stay in the lines, watch me burn them down this time. I'm gonna break my way, louder than the words you say. No more shadows, no more chains. I'm rewriting all my days. I'm gonna break my way. Yeah, nothing's gonna make me stay. I used to shrink to fit your point of view, let the noise inside me drown out the truth. But now I'm running with the volume high. Every note you gave me only made me wanna fly. You kept my fire locked behind the door. Look at me now, I'm wanting more. I'm gonna break my way, louder than the words you say. No more shadows, no more chains. I'm rewriting all my days. I'm gonna break my way. Yeah, nothing's gonna make me stay. I won't fade, I won't fold. I'm not the same girl you control. Turn it up, let it shake. This is a